Hi friends, welcome to ALS Max JEE YouTube channel. Yesterday we are discussing exact differential equations and condition for non-exact differential equation and definition of integrating factor. Let us follow the previous class. Different models depending on non-exact differential equations. Model 1, first model. This is the first model. If mdx plus ndy equal to 0 is non-exact homogeneous differential equation and mx plus ny not equal to 0, then 1 by mx plus ny is integrating factor of this non-exact differential equation. Is integrating factor of this non-exact differential equation. Non-exact means dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Homogeneous differential equation. We know that homogeneous differential equation dy by dx equal to, if dy by dx equal to f of x comma y and f of kx comma ky equal to f of x comma y, then this differential equation is called homogeneous differential equation. Dy by dx equal to f of x comma y is called homogeneous differential equation if f of kx comma ky equal to f of x comma y. Next, integrating factor. Here 1 by mx plus ny is integrating factor of non-exact differential equation mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Integrating factor. Integrating factor is a function which is multiplied by non-exact differential equation becomes exact differential equation. That is integrating factor. One example for this model. X square y into dx minus of x cube plus y cube into dy equal to 0. This is given differential equation. It is of the form mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Here m equal to x square y and dy quotient n equal to minus of x cube plus y cube. Dou m by dou y. Differentiate m partially with respect to y. Here only y is in m, only y is variable and other one are constants. Here x square is constant. Derivative of y with respect to y is 1. So dou m by dou y equal to x square. Dou n by dou x. Differentiate n partially with respect to x. That is, in n only x is variable and the remaining are constants. Minus of derivative of x cube is 3x square. Here y is constant, derivative 0. So minus 3x square. Dou m by dou y. Therefore, dou m by dou y equal to x square and dou n by dou x equal to minus 3x square. Both are not equal. Dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, given given differential equation is non-exact differential equation. Non-exact differential equation. Given D is non-exact. Non-exact. And clearly, this is homogeneous differential equation. All terms have equal power. Here power of this term is 2 plus 1, 3. Here power is 3. Here power is 3. All terms have equal power. So that one is homogeneous differential equation. So given differential equation is non-exact and homogeneous. Here mx plus ny is mx plus ny equal to x into m, x into x square y, x cube y plus ny, y into minus of x square plus y square minus x cube y minus of x cube y minus plus y power 4. So x cube y minus x cube y cancelled. Then the remaining is minus y power 4. Integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. Integrating factor equal to 1 by minus y power 4. So multiplied the given differential equation with integrating factor, then this non-exact becomes exact. Multiplied this differential equation with integrating factor, 1 by y power 4 into x square y, the x square y by y power 4 minus x cube by y power 4 minus of x cube by into dx minus of x cube by y power 4 plus y cube by y power 4, that is 1 by y into dy equal to 0. That is x square by y cube into dx minus of x cube by y power 4 plus 1 by y into dy equal to 0. Clearly, this one is exact differential equation. You will check it. This one is exact differential equation. Then we know that general solution of exact differential equation is integral m dx plus general solution of exact differential equation is integral x m dx plus integral term free from x in n of dy in n of dy equal to constant. In yesterday class, we are discussing about this general solution. Integral x m dx. Here m is x square by y cube. X square by y cube into dx plus term free from x in n. Term free from x in n. That means term independent of x in n. That means term which does not contain x in n. This one contains x. So don't take this term. This is term independent of x. So term free from x in n is 1 by y of dy equal to c. Here we integrate this term with respect to x. So 1 by y cube is considered as constant. 1 by y cube into integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus integration of 1 by y is log y equal to c. This is the general solution for non-exact differential equation which having integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny. This is the first model in non-exact differential equation. Let us discuss the second model in non-exact differential equation. Second model in non-exact differential equation. Model 2. Second model. If mdx plus ndy equal to 0 is a non-exact differential equation and is of the form mx y into f of xy dx plus x g of xy dy equal to 0. mdx plus ndy equal to 0 is non-exact differential equation and is of the form y f of xy dx plus x g of xy dy equal to 0 and mx minus ny equal to not equal to 0 and mx minus ny not equal to 0, then integrating factor for this non-exact differential equation is 1 by mx minus ny. Example, y into 1 minus xy into dx plus x into 1 plus xy into dy equal to 0. This is the given differential equation. It is of the form mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Here m is y into 1 minus xy, that is y minus xy square, and n is coefficient of dy. Here x into 1 plus xy, n is x into 1 plus xy, that is x into 1 x plus x into xy, x square y. Here dou m by dou y equal to, dou m by dou y means partial differentiate m with respect to y. Partial differentiate m with respect to y means consider that y term in m is considered as variable and the remaining terms are considered as constants. So dou m by dou y with respect to y, we differentiate m with respect to y. So only y is variable and remaining terms are constant. Here derivative of y with respect to y is 1 minus, here x is constant, only y is variable, x is constant, x into derivative for y square is 2y. So 1 minus 2xy. This is dou m by dou y. Here dou n by dou x is, here dou n by dou x. Dou n by dou x means partial differentiation of n with respect to x. Partial differentiation of n with respect to x means only x is taken as variable in n and remaining terms are constants. Here partial differentiation with respect to x, we get derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus, here y is constant, derivative of x square is 2x equal to 1 plus 2xy. Dou m by dou y 1 minus 2xy and dou n by dou x equal to 1 plus 2xy, both are not equal. Dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, given d is non-exact d, given differential equation is non-exact. This is non-exact differential equation. This is non-exact differential equation and of the form y f of xy, y f of xy x y f of xy dx plus x g of xy dy, x g of xy dy, x g of xy dy equal to 0 and is of the form y f of xy dx plus x g of xy dy equal to 0. Here mx minus ny is mx minus ny equal to multiplied m with x, we get x into y, xy minus multiplied x with x, xy square, x square y square minus ny multiplied n with y, multiplied n with minus y, we get minus xy minus x cube, x square y square, x square xy cancelled, plus xy minus xy cancelled, minus x square y square minus x square y square, we get minus 2x square y square. So mx minus ny not equal to 0. Integrating factor equal to 1 by mx minus ny equal to 1 by minus 2x square y square multiplied the given differential equation with integrating factor, we get exact differential equation multiplied by integrating factor with given dA, we get y into 1 minus xy by x square y square. Here 2 is constant, 2 can be considered or not considered, we get both same result. So 2 is cancelled. Y into 1 minus xy by x square y square into dx plus x into 1 plus xy by x square y square into dy equal to 0. Y square cancelled, x square cancelled, 1 by x square y, 1 by x square y minus xy by x square y, x square cancelled, y cancelled, minus 1 by x of dx plus 1 by xy square, 1 by xy square plus xy by xy square, that means xx cancelled, y square cancelled, we get 1 by y of dy equal to 0. This is the exact differential equation because we multiplied the integrating factor with a given dA, we get this result. So this is the exact differential equation. This is the exact differential equation. We know that general solution is integral m dx. General solution for exact differential equation is integral m dx plus integral term free from x, term free from x in n of dy equal to c. Integral m dx, integral m 1 by x square y minus 1 by x into dx plus integral term free from x in n, that means the term which contain no x in n. Here 1 by y is a term in n which is independent of x. So take 1 by y dy equal to c. Here we integrate with respect to x. So 1 by y is constant. 1 by y constant. And integration of 1 by x square is integration of 1 by x power n is, we know that integration of 1 by x power n, 1 by x power n dx is minus 1 by n minus 1 into x power n minus 1. Here minus 1 by n minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 into x power 1 minus integration of 1 by x is log x. Here integration of 1 by y is log y equal to c. This is the general solution for exact differential equation. Next, some problems depending on these models are I will give some problems depending on these models you are practicing. Y square dx plus x square minus xy minus y square of dy equal to 0. Y minus x dy by dx equal to x plus y dy by dx. X square y minus 2xy square into dx minus of x cube minus 3x square y dy equal to 0. These are the models which have integrating factor 1 by mx minus ny, 1 by mx plus ny. Second model, this one is M1, first model. Second model, sums on second model are 1 by 1 minus xy into 1 minus xy into dx into 1 plus xy into dx plus x into 1 minus xy into dy equal to 0. Y into 1 plus xy plus x square y square into dx plus x into 1 minus xy plus x square y square into dy equal to 0. Y into xy plus x square y square plus x power 4 y power 4 into dx plus x into xy minus x square y square plus x power 4 y power 4 into dy equal to 0. These three sums are second model sums. These three sums having integrating factor 1 by mx minus ny. Thank you very much for watching ALS Max YouTube channel.